Hi, I'm Tom with Tom's Universe, and welcome to Dropshipping with Shopify, Moneymaker or Loser review. I'm not an affiliate for Shopify. I don't get paid to do this review. I do it to help people make an informed decision. I've been helped along the way, and I just want to give back. But before we start, make sure you stick around for the end, because I have a very special gift for you that could change your life. It's changed mine. Let me give a short review of dropshipping. Dropshipping has become a popular e-commerce model. It's essential to understand both its advantages and disadvantages. Here's a breakdown. Low startup costs. You don't need to invest heavily in inventory up front, reducing your financial risk. This makes it easier for entrepreneurs with limited capital. There's no inventory management. You avoid the cost of warehousing, packing, and shipping products. This frees up time and resources to focus on marketing and customer service. There is flexibility and scalability. You can run your business from anywhere with an internet connection. It's easy to add or remove products from your online store, allowing you to adapt to market trends. It's easy to scale. You don't need to purchase more warehouse space as your business grows. You have a wide product selection. You can offer a vast range of products without having to purchase them beforehand. This allows you to test different niches and find profitable products. Here comes the downside. There is limited control over product quality. You're relying on suppliers to ensure product quality, which can lead to inconsistencies and customer dissatisfaction. You're dealing with shipping complexities. Shipping times and costs can vary depending on the supplier, which can be challenging to manage. Returns and refunds can also be complicated. You're working on low profit margins. Competition can be fierce, which can drive down profit margins. You have less control over pricing as suppliers set wholesale prices. You're supplier dependent, which means your business is heavily reliant on suppliers, and any issues with their performance can negatively impact your business. Stock outages from the suppliers will cause issues for your business. Because the barrier to entry is so low, there's a very high competition. Dropshipping offers a low-risk way to start an online business, but also comes with challenges related to control and reliability. In a minute, I'm going to talk about an alternative to dropshipping. But first, let's talk about Shopify. Shopify is a leading e-commerce platform that empowers businesses of all sizes to create and manage online stores. Here's an unbiased review covering its key aspects. Shopify's user-friendly interface and design make it relatively easy to set up and manage an online store, even for those with limited technical expertise. The drag and drop website builder simplifies customization. Shopify offers a wide range of built-in features, including inventory management, order processing, marketing tools, and payment processing. It also provides robust analytics and reporting to track sales and customer behavior. Their App Store boasts a vast library of third-party apps that extend the platform's functionalities, catering to diverse business needs. This allows you to highly customize stores. Shopify can accommodate businesses of all sizes, from small startups to large enterprises. Its infrastructure is designed to handle high traffic and sales volumes. Shopify Payments simplifies payment processing, offering competitive rates and seamless integration. It also supports numerous other payment gateways. Shopify provides 24/7 customer support through various channels, including phone, email, and live chat. They also provide extensive help documentation. Shopify offers multiple pricing plans to fit different budgets and business requirements. Here's some downside. While Shopify Payments offers competitive rates using third-party payment gateways can incur additional transaction fees, especially on lower tiered plans. The monthly subscription fees can be relatively high, particularly for advanced features and higher volume businesses. App subscriptions can also increase monthly expenditures. While Shopify offers a wide range of themes and customization options, some businesses may find the platform's flexibility limited compared to fully custom solutions. While Shopify provides SEO tools, optimizing a Shopify store for search engines requires ongoing effort and expertise. Some deeper SEO customizations can be limited. Businesses become reliant on Shopify's performance, which can create dependence. Changes to Shopify policies or pricing could impact businesses. So here's an overall. Shopify is a powerful and versatile e-commerce platform that offers a comprehensive suite of features and tools. It's an excellent choice for businesses looking for user-friendly and scalable solution to manage an online store. However, businesses should be careful. Consider the pricing, transaction fees, and customization limitations before making a decision. In my opinion, the best online businesses is not dropshipping, but affiliate marketing. The upside is low passive income. It has low startup costs. You don't have to buy product or whole inventory. You don't need staff or customer service. Sum this all up, if you're looking to start a high-ticket affiliate marketing business and you don't know where to start, you should look at my free ebook. It gives you the 3 steps to start a side hustle with high-ticket affiliate marketing without having a product expertise or being a tech expert. Go to my comments and hit the link tomsuniverse.net for your free ebook gift. Check it out to see if affiliate marketing is for you. While you're there, hit the subscribe button for future videos. Look, thanks for watching Dropshipping with Shopify, Moneymaker or Loser review. I'll see you next time. Bye now.